नमस्कार देशभक्तों, वेलकम टू टॉप नट्स। हमारी आज की वीडियो होने वाली है सबसे बड़े और सबसे पुराने लिब्रांडो करण थापर के ऊपर। लेकिन उससे पहले आप सबको एक इन्फॉर्मेशन देना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। आप सब शायद हंसल मेहता को जानते ही होंगे। वो हमारी सो कॉल्ड बॉलीवुड के डायरेक्टर हैं और रिसेंटली उन्होंने ट्विटर पे कुंभ मेला का मजाक बनाया था। आप यहाँ वो पिक्चर देख सकते हैं। और इन्होंने अपने दूसरे ट्वीट में ये भी कहा था कि उनको लगता है कि पाकिस्तान में कोविड का सिचुएशन इंडिया से बहुत बेहतर है। और यहीं पे उनका पाला एक ट्विटर यूजर देव मेहता के साथ पड़ गया। देव मेहता ने हंसल मेहता को डायरेक्टली चैलेंज किया कि अगर आपको पाकिस्तान की सिचुएशन इंडिया से बेहतर लगती है तो आप वहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो जाइए ना, टिकट का खर्चा हम उठा लेंगे, लेकिन एक ही शर्त है, आप वापस नहीं आ सकते। अगर आप वापस आ गए तो टिकट का जो दाम है उसका 10 गुना आपको मुझे देना पड़ेगा। हंसल मेहता इस बात को लाइटली ले रहे थे। वो सोच रहे थे कि किसी राइट विंगर में इतना दम नहीं है कि एक्चुअली मैं टिकट लाके उन्हें दे दूं। बट देव मेहता का लेवल ही अलग है। उन्होंने एक्चुअली में उनको फर्स्ट क्लास का टिकट दे दिया है, वो भी 20 तारीख का। और उसी के बाद से हंसल मेहता बिल्कुल ऑनलाइन सोशल मीडिया से गायब हो चुके हैं। अब वापस करण थापर पे आते हैं। ये अपने आप को बहुत बड़ा इंटेलेक्चुअल समझते हैं। अगर आप इनका इंटरव्यू देखें किसी कांग्रेसी के साथ और अगर आप उसको किसी भी राइट विंगर के इंटरव्यू के साथ कंपेयर करें तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा ये कितने बायस्ड हैं। इनको लगता है कि ये अपने इंटरव्यू में किसी का भी बैंड बजा सकते हैं, लेकिन इन टर्न इनकी ही कब बैंड बज जाती है शायद इनको भी पता नहीं चलता।
I see that all your ambassadorial appointments were in our neighboring countries. How much damage has this problem with China, which seems to have ground to an impasse at the moment, done to India's standing in the neighborhood and then beyond that internationally?
I think, Karan, you're going to be surprised by my answer. India's standing in the neighborhood and in the world has actually gone up. And it has gone up because India's military authorities, India's government has shown that it is willing and able to stand up to Chinese bullying, to Chinese military coercion on our borders. And we are one of the few countries in the world who is willing to do this. So I would argue with you and with your audience that India's standing in its neighborhood as well as in the rest of the world has actually gone up several notches as a result of Chinese military coercion or attempted military coercion on our borders.
So although this sounds paradoxical, this has actually improved our image both in the neighborhood and internationally. We are more highly regarded than previously.
Absolutely.
वैसे इनका पंगा हमारे मोदी जी के साथ भी डायरेक्टली हो चुका है। यहाँ ये डायरेक्टली मोदी जी को गुजरात में जो हुआ उसके लिए ब्लेम कर रहे थे और उम्मीद कर रहे थे कि मोदी जी इनके बकवास का रिप्लाई देंगे।
Mr. Modi, let's start by talking about you. In the 6 years that you've been Chief Minister of Gujarat, the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation has declared Gujarat to be the best administered state. India today, on 2 separate occasions, has declared that you are the most efficient Chief Minister. And yet, despite that, people still call you to your face a mass murderer, and they accuse you of being prejudiced against Muslims. Do you have an image problem?
I think it's not proper to say that people. There are 2 or 3 persons, those who used to talk in this terminology. And I always say, God bless them.
You're saying this is a conspiracy of 2-3 people only?
I have not said so.
But you're saying it's only 2-3 people.
This is what I have information. It's not the people's voice.
Can I point out to you that in September 2003, the Supreme Court said they had lost faith in the Gujarat government? In April 2004, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court in open court said that you were like a modern-day Nero who looks the other side when helpless children and innocent women are burnt. The Supreme Court seems to have a problem with you.
Karan, I have a small request. Please go to the Supreme Court judgment. And is there anything in writing? I'll be happy to know everything.
It wasn't in writing, you're absolutely right.
If
It was
it
an
is in
observation.
judgment.
It is an observation.
If it is in judgment, then I'll be happy to give you the answer.
I'll tell you what the problem is. even 5 years after the Gujarat killings of 2002, the ghost of Godhra still haunts you. Why have you not done more to allay that ghost?
This I gave it to the media persons like Karan Thapar. Let them do and let them enjoy.
Can I suggest something to you?
I have no problem.
Why can't you say that you regret the killings that happened? Why can't you say that maybe the government should have done more to protect the Muslims?
What I have to say, I have said at that time, and you can find out my statement.
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई? क्या तकलीफ है इनको?
श्रीमती जयललिता के साथ भी इनकी टक्कर हो चुकी है और जयललिता ने इनको एकदम जस्ट जवाब दिया है.
Discussed for the last 3 years, and which in many ways may be responsible.
What have you asked all your questions? Have you got anything more to ask?
I've come very close to the end of this interview. I have only one last question. Are you confident that you can see your electoral low point over with and that you will win in 2006?
Wait and see. I told you already I don't believe in astrology. I can't predict what will happen in the next elections. But you will be around, I suppose. Wait and see what happens.
But is that a yes, you will win?
I said wait and see.
Chief Minister, a pleasure talking to you on Hard Talking.
I must say it wasn't a pleasure talking to you. Namaste.
लेकिन कुछ भी कह ले भैया, सबसे अच्छी इनकी बेइज्जती अगर किसी ने की है तो वो है सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी. करण थापर हमेशा कांग्रेस की वोट लीकिंग करते ही रहते हैं, इसीलिए सोनिया गांधी के खिलाफ एक भी शब्द ये सुनने को तैयार ही नहीं है, चाहे कितनी भी बार सबूत इनके आंखों के सामने आ जाए. अगर अंध नमाजी का बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल दिया जाए तो सुप्रिया श्रीनेत के बाद इन्हीं का नाम आएगा.
I didn't on matters which I didn't even say. What I said, if you see my speech, is that she is now a suspect. She knows something. There has been a crime committed. It's been admitted by our own former defense minister that yes, and the Italians have said yes, their bribes been paid. Now the process begins by questioning people, and she should be questioned.
The problem is, it's not just the Italian judge, Justice Maiga, who says there's no evidence to link her to corruption directly or even indirectly. The same point was made, according to the Times of India, by Arun Jaitley in Frankfurt yesterday. This is what Mr. Jaitley said, I'm quoting. It's only when substantive evidence comes out that there will be reason to believe who has taken the money. This clearly means there are no reasons today to believe Sonia Gandhi has taken the money.
Well, that you'll have to question him. You see, I have my own way. I never asked him about National Herald either. In National Herald also he said at one stage that if they pay back the money that they spent on this transaction, everything will be over. That's rubbish. The fact of the matter is that it is my opinion and I express my opinion.
Except the person who's giving a different opinion to yours is not just an ordinary individual. He's a member of your party, he's the finance minister, he's a leading lawyer, he is in fact a former law minister. Surely Arun Jaitley knows what he's talking about. And when he says only when substantive evidence comes out will there be reason to believe who has taken the money, he's clearly saying there is no reason to
believe. You should add one more qualification, that he is also your friend. Who?
Christian Michel.
No, not Christian Michel.
This is Christian Michel writing
Who told him that we will settle?
He doesn't reveal.
That's right. That's right. And you believe him. That is what I'm saying. You are complicit in this.
But you are prepared to build part of a case on his language
you're back
driving
to the back. Either you're dense, I told you, or you're doing it deliberate. I said Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad mentioned him as evidence of what the Prime Minister said.
But you also went on to say that that was part of the reason, the word driving force.
It is because it is in that particular letter is in the judgment.
Can I point out something else to you?
Yeah.
The same Mr. Michel, in an interview to your daughter, published this time by the Hindu,
again you're back to my daughter.
No, because she's a very important journalist who got the interview.
What? I brought her up. I know it.
Therefore,
your parents didn't bring you up properly.
Therefore,
your parents didn't bring you up properly.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
अगर आप हमारा कंटेंट देखते हैं और अगर आपको हमारा कंटेंट पसंद है तो फिर सब्सक्राइब करना तो बनता है बॉस। बिना हिचकिचाए सब्सक्राइब कर दो। हमारी यही कोशिश रहती है ताकि हम आपको हर रोज नई नई इन्फॉर्मेशन देते रहें। तो अगर आपको हमारी ये वाली इनिशिएटिव अच्छी लगती है तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए और बेल आइकन को भी जरूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, नहीं तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन नहीं मिलने वाला।